So the Xiaomi 18 series rumor mill is in full swing these days. While we already talked about the Xiaomi 18 Pro Max in earlier videos, but now the reliable leakster has shared on the compact size, the standard Xiaomi 18 and even its possible look. So let's roll the intro. So the Xiaomi 18 is tipped to feature a massive 7200 mAh battery. Just imagine it is said to be a 6.4 inches screen size handset, and with that a 7200 mAh is just insane. Besides battery, what makes it the powerhouse that it will run on the 2nm chip, which will be the upcoming top tier chip, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. Now let's have a look at the iPhone 16 Pro. Sorry, I mean the Xiaomi 18. And yeah, its resemblance with iPhone from 2024 is pretty much inevitable. Anyway, this render came from the digital chat station, and as we can see, like its predecessor, there will be 3 camera sensors. But the flashlight design is a bit changed. Other than that, seems pretty much similar to its predecessor. Rounded corners, flat back panel, and sides appear to be also flat. Let me know your thoughts on this change. I think the change in the camera island is because of the internal hardware, as Xiaomi 18 is said to bring a significant change in the camera setup compared to the Xiaomi 17. Like, going by the earlier leaks, this compact size handset could come with a 200 megapixel main camera with a large sensor. And it will use a periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom instead of traditional telephoto. Of course, the third sensor will be the ultra wide. Now, in terms of other features, the Xiaomi 18 will offer full waterproofing like IP68 and ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Anyway, the Xiaomi 18 series is expected to launch in September. Of course, I will keep you updated on the lineup as we are still waiting for the more interesting the Xiaomi 18 Pro Max renders. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.